What happens when a hospital starts telling doctors how to practice medicine? What happened when the corporate bosses took over a local emergency room? Dr. Jim Cox tells us.
The new owners came to us at our meeting and asked us to increase our admission rate to 16%. It had been running 10 to 12%, which was typical for a hospital that size, but they had decided they wanted it to be 16. We explained to them that really wasn't possible because we admit people that need to be admitted. It was not a magic number. You just admit who needs to be admitted and send home who needs to be sent home. After a few months, they said this wasn't going to work, and they fired us. If you're admitting somebody to the hospital that's not medically indicated, that's wrong. Medicine is expensive, I understand, and if it's for the benefit of the patient, then those expenses are justifiable. But if it's just for the financial bottom line, that's not justifiable.
Now, Texas hospitals are asking the legislature to let them put doctors directly on their payrolls. Don't let hospital administrators play doctor with your health. Don't let them jeopardize health care in your community. Go to www.meandmydoctor.com to send the legislature a clear message. Physicians should work for the patients, and that's it.